So this video is about something that I have. And for those who don't know, I have Turner syndrome. And this video is basically about it and me verbally talking about it. I did a post on Facebook, like a typed out post, but this will probably be posted as well, but this is going to be my YouTube video. So basically, Turner syndrome is a chromosomal condition that affects development in women. So the most common feature of Turner syndrome is short in stature, and I'm 4 feet 5 inches tall, so I have that, which becomes evident at about age 5. I was diagnosed when I was 2 years old because my pediatrician at the time knew of the characteristics and stuff like that, because he had a sister who had Turner syndrome, and so he knew what to look for, and he did a test. And an early loss of ovarian function, ovarian hypofunction, or premature ovarian failure is also very common. So what that basically means is that I won't be able to have biological children, which I'm perfectly okay with. I'm perfectly fine with adopting, and yeah. The ovarians develop at first, but the egg cells, oocytes, oocytes, usually die prematurely, and most ovarian tissue degenerates before birth. Many affected girls do not undergo prematurely unless they receive hormone therapy, and most are unable to conceive. So, I never gone through puberty. I kind of did by doing birth control to help me have a period, but not anymore. So I'm unable to conceive. A small percentage of females with Turner syndrome retain normal ovarian function through young adulthood. I don't think that can happen for me. About 30% of females have extra folds of skin on the neck, webbed neck, a low hairline on the back of the neck, which I do have, puffness or swelling of the hand and feet, skeletal abnormalities, or kidney problems. I don't think I have kidney problems, or the swelling. 1/3 to 1/2 of individuals with Turner syndrome are born with a heart defect, such as narrowing of the large aorta, leaving the heart, or abnormality coordination of the aorta, or abnormalities of the valve that connects the aorta with the heart, the aortic valve. Complications with these heart defects can be life-threatening. I have a heart murmur. And that's pretty much it. Most women, most girls and women with Turner syndrome have normal intelligence, developmental delays, which I did have, nonverbal learning disabilities, and behavior problems are possible. Although these characteristics vary among affected individuals. And there's 2 kinds of Turner syndrome. There's one where girls are missing the full X, and there is one that's called the mosaic, where you're missing half of the second X, and this condition occurs in about 1 in 2,500 newborn girls worldwide, but it is much common among pregnancies that do not survive to term. Turner syndrome is related to the X chromosome, which is one of the two sex chromosomes. People typically having two sex chromosomes in each. So females have two X chromosomes, while males only have one X and one Y. Turner syndrome results when one normal X chromosome is present in a female's cells and other sex chromosomes is missing or structurally altered. That is me. And the missing genetic material affects development before and after birth. About half of the individuals with Turner syndrome have monosomy X, which means each cell in the individual's body has only one copy of the X chromosome instead of the usual two sex chromosomes. Turner syndrome can also occur if one of the sex chromosomes is partially missing or rearranged rather than completely absent. That's me. Some women with Turner syndrome have chromosomal change in only some of their cells, which are known as mosaicism. Women with Turner syndrome caused by X chromosome mosaicism are said to have mosaic Turner syndrome, which I have. Researchers have not determined which genes on the X chromosome are associated with most features of Turner syndrome. They have, however, identified one gene called SHOX that is important for bone development and growth. The loss of one copy of the gene likely cause short stature and skeletal abnormalities in women with Turner syndrome. Most cases of Turner syndrome are not inherited, which means it can't be passed down. When this condition results from monosomy X, the chromosome abnormality occurs as a rare event during the formation of reproduction cells, eggs, and sperm in the infected person's parent. An error in cell division called non-disjunction can result in productive cells with an abnormal number of chromosomes. For example, an egg and a sperm may lose its sex chromosome as a result of non-disjunction. If one of these atypical reproduction contributes to the genetic makeup of a child, the child will have a single X chromosome in each cell and will be missing the other sex chromosome. Mosaic Turner syndrome is also not inherited in an infected individual. It occurs as a random event during cell division and early fetal development. As a result, some of the affected person's cells have the usual two sex chromosomes, and others have only one copy of the X chromosome. Other sex chromosome abnormalities are also possible in females with X chromosome mosaicism. Early Turner syndrome can be caused by partial deletion of the X chromosome, can be passed from one generation to the next. So there can be genetic testing, and there's other ways for diagnosis and treatment. Other names for 45X monosomy X, Turner syndrome, or like Turner syndrome. And I just thought I'd do a verbal video about it as well. And I'm going to show you a picture. Sorry about my screen. It does this when it has low battery on my computer. So this is Monostatum Turner syndrome, so this is what I have. And so I hope you enjoyed this video. I don't know why, but I just felt like doing an explanation video. And if you're seeing this on Facebook, thank you so much for all of your nice, amazing comments. It's meaning a lot to me. And so if you're on YouTube and you're not friends with me, but you know me personally, this is how you know what I have. Yeah, so I hope you enjoyed this video. And sorry, it's 11 minutes long, but just thank you for your love and support, and I hope you enjoy this video and this explanation video about the disease that I have and the syndrome that I have, and I'm perfectly okay with not having children, and I hope you enjoy this video.